Oh, it's great to be here. We've had a tough few years with the pandemic and other things, and there isn't anything quite like coming together in person with colleagues to progress the research agenda in Wales.
Can't replace the kind of the social element and people being able to catch up and having conversations on the sides of other kind of meetings or discussions.
I think it brings people together. That's the value of having this kind of event. I get to know a lot of people and I get to listen to very inspiring messages.
This is the best opportunity to network with people, learn from others, particularly from other specialties, as well as meet the research team who are supporting and delivering all, like my colleague gastroenterologists across Wales. I think this is fantastic.